How to clean and prep all-in-one grow light kit for growing microgreens. To start growing microgreens, we first need to remove these plant starts and transplant them into their new home. We'll share that on a different video. Now we can remove the reservoir base by simply picking it up. At my sink, I pour out the water before washing the reservoir. I then like to use a food-safe soap, hot water, and a soft sponge to clean with. Be sure to get into every crevice. Taking time to clean and sanitize your supplies makes for happy plants later. We also soak our net cups in warm soapy water since they make contact with the plant. Rinsey, rinse, rinse. I'm washing and I'm rinsing. Now that everything is clean, let it dry, and then you are ready for reuse or storing. We're going to put these pieces up since we won't need them for microgreens. Before the microgreen tray can sit flush in the reservoir base, you'll have to remove the white tube. To do this, just pull upwards on it and it'll come out. Now the white microgreen tray will sit flush in the system and is ready for use. Since the light is too high from the herbs, I need to lower it. To do this, turn the system around and rotate the knob. This allows you to adjust the light height. Happy growing, y'all, and this kit can be found on our website.